population. About 4
city
million
prince.
people are living here in Jaipur city. 4 million.
జైపూర్లో 4 మిలియన్ల మంది ఉంటారు.
And Rajasthan is
రాజస్థాన్కి
also the
క్యాపిటల్.
biggest state in India in 28 states and 9 union territories in terms of area according to geography. The area of Rajasthan is about 342,000 square kilometer, and this is located in the northwest part of India. So the western part of Rajasthan is the desert area. Whole Rajasthan divided in 4 parts like Marwar, Mewar, Mewat.
So how many kilometers is that, sir? From here? Desert.
Desert.
How many
It's about 500 kilometer from here. 500 kilometer. So divided in 4 parts like Mewar, Marwar, Mewat. So Mewar area is the Chittorgarh area. Like we heard about Maharaja Pratap, he was from Mewar. Okay? And Jodhpur area, that is called the Marwar area. And this area is called the Mewat area. Alwar, Bharatpur, Dholpur, Karoli, these are the Jodhpur area, Marwar area. Thar desert. Okay? And in British time, Rajasthan was known as a name of Rajputana, ruled only the Rajput kings. Up to 16th century they ruled individually, but after 16th century they worked with the Mughals. So known as Rajputana because of the Rajput kings. So there were 22 kingdoms only in Rajasthan. And you know, in all over India 562 princely states. But after getting independence by the efforts of the Home Minister Vallabhbhai Patel, he made the unification for all 562 princely states. So after amalgam of Vallabhbhai Patel, he was from Gujarat. So he made the unification. उन्होंने किया.
All India.
All over India, after amalgam of 562 princely state, it was made United India. And at that time, Jaipur was made the capital of Rajasthan because the Maharaja of Jaipur, Man Singh II, Sir Man Singh II, he was the powerful person. He had the condition that Jaipur must be a capital of Rajasthan. And he joined in 1949. It took very long time for Rajasthan. It started in 1947 and it completed in 1956. But the Jaipur kingdom, they joined in 1949, 30 March 1949. So every year we celebrate Rajasthan Day on 30 March. But nowadays, this year we change. We celebrate New Year,
Ajra.
New Year time, like in the month of
correct.
according to Hindu
హిందీ
calendar.
చూసి పైకి కొడతాను.
So we change. Nowadays, Vaisakh like in month of April. When the according to Hindu calendar, New Year start. And in Rajasthan, some of the cities they known as different names. Like Jaipur is known as a pink city. Udaipur is called the Lake City. Jaisalmer, Jodhpur is called the Blue City and Sun City. So Jaipur is known as Pink City because in 1876 the Prince of Wales visited here in Jaipur city. So in his royal welcome, the Maharaja painted all the city in pink color. So the Pink City. Since then we are following this title. And one certain area is in the pink color. Because Jaipur was founded only for 500,000 people. But nowadays population is about one certain area in the 18th century, in 1727, we founded. That area is in pink color. Not this area. This area different colors.